Wreath-laying ceremonies were also held today to honor people who had key roles in bringing back freedom and democracy to the country. Manila Mayor Alfredo Lim and presidential sister Balzi Aquino Cruz led the rites at the monuments of the late President Cory Aquino, former Senator Ninoy Aquino, and Manila Archbishop Jaime Cardinal Sin. Noel Perfecto tells us more.
Yellow is the color of the day at the intersection of P. Burgos Facio Avenue in front of Manila Hotel during the city's celebration of the 27th anniversary of the People's Power Revolution. Present during the event were personalities instrumental in the removal of President Ferdinand Marcos from Malacanang. Former Senator Nene Pimentel was at the event. The guest of honor was Ms. Balzi Aquino Cruz and Manila Mayor Alfredo Lim as himself. Wreath-laying ceremonies were held at the monuments of former President Cory Aquino, former Senator Benigno Ninoy Aquino, and former Manila Archbishop Jaime Cardinal Sin. In her speech, Ms. Balzi emphasized the importance of the law signed by President Aquino regarding the human rights.
Napakahalaga po para sa aming pamilya ang paggunita ng anibersaryo ng People Power. Ito po kasi ang unang pagkakataon kung kailan ipinakita natin na kaya nating magkaisa kapag tayo ay magsama-sama. Kaya nating abutin ang mga pangarap natin para sa Pilipinas. Sadya rin pong makabuluhan ng anibersaryong ito dahil kanina lang ay ng aking kapatid, si Pangulong Noy, ang Human Rights Victims Reparation and Recognition Act of 2013. Dahil po sa batas na ito, mabibigyan na po ng hustisya at karapat-dapat na pagkilala ang mga Pilipino na tulad ng aking ama ay naging biktima ng martial law.
And as expected, Mayor Lim recounted the story of EDSA, a bloodless revolution that led to the ouster of a dictator.
Sabi sa akin ni President Marcos, malakas parang pasigaw sa phone. General, you paid me. How come no dispersal is being conducted as of this moment? Sabi ko, Mr. President, it is physically impossible to conduct dispersal operation. Sagot naman ni President Marcos, why? Sir, I only have 120 officers and men.
For the People's Television, I'm Noel Perfecto.